Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, flip the circuit breaker, and confirm with a non-contact tester so you don't waste time. Once verified, climb the ladder safely and remove the adjustable trim and glass, supporting the housing with one hand. Make sure you have the replacement eyeball bulb, gloves, and screwdriver at hand. This prevents mid-task trips down the ladder. You're starting the physical access now, so steady your ladder, keep tools within reach, and prepare to disconnect the bulb or socket assembly carefully. You'll now remove the old bulb or module. Grip the eyeball housing and either depress the retainer clips or twist the bulb out depending on design. As you extract it, inspect the socket, reflector, and any gaskets for corrosion, melted plastic, or loose clips. This is why you're changing it, not just swapping bulbs. Once clear, fit the replacement with the correct wattage, base, beam angle, and dimming compatibility. Make the electrical connector secure and seat the bulb evenly so the aim and cooling are correct. Finish by reassembling the trim and glass, ensuring clips or screws engage and any gasket sits flat for proper heat management. Once reinstalled, restore power at the breaker and observe the fixture. Check brightness, color, and aiming and make fine positional adjustments while the light is on. If it fails to illuminate, turn power off and recheck the breaker, wiring connections, and that the bulb is fully seated. If there's flicker, verify dimmer compatibility or replace the bulb with a known good unit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.